Look at this magical floating hot air balloon. Let's begin. A square for the basket. 2 lines to connect the skirt. And a big balloon. Cover the balloon with lines. And done! Time to paint. Start off with red and then green. Purple, the color gold, pink, cyan, orange, green, and red again. What a pretty balloon! Let's quickly complete it. Sea green for the skirt and golden for the details. Yay! Ready to fly? Woohoo! This is magical! Here is our lovely hot air balloon. See you next time.